You may know that any DAW including Steinberg Cubase is programmed based on the working algorithm of an analog mixing console. You can open a mix window in Cubase to adjust your channels and processing. Go to the studio in the menu bar and select Mix Console. You can use the shortcut F3 to open this. In the mix window you can see channel faders, inserts, sends and a master fader similar to an analog mixing console. Each channel fader in the mix window is representing audio track, effect tracks and groups in our project. Master fader in this window, which is in red, is the output bus we created in the audio connections at the beginning of the project. Every track in this project is routed directly or indirectly to this master fader or the stereo out. That's why they're coming out from the out 1 and 2 of the audio interface. As I mentioned earlier, if you expand the tabs in the top middle region, we have access to the inserts, sends and all other parameters. As we discussed in the channel settings window, the same metering section is located nearby the channel faders in the mix window of Cubase. To speed up your work, you can use the mix window too. It's totally up to you.